Hello and welcome everyone to Cadet Time. Today we're gonna have a tour on this home garden. We're gonna collect tomatoes. Yes, tomatoes. No more going to the vegetable market to buy tomatoes. And I just want to show you, this is something that I have collected from my home garden just right now, and I will be collecting more. For this, if you want to buy it from the market, how much you're gonna pay? A lot of money. But this one is being made in here, and you can also make it. Let's go and collect some tomatoes. You can see some of them already like falling down and the birds are eating them, but we will be collecting this right now. All you gotta do is just grab it like that and drop it right here. And then come to this section. See this one? Already been eaten, but we're gonna use it as fertilizer. I'm gonna drop it in that container right there. And then for now, let it sit here. Let's pick this one and this one. And let's go here. Pick this one. And this one up, this is not coming out. What you gotta do if you don't know how to collect tomatoes, you just gotta check the tomato. Don't wait for it until it's really red, because the birds will come and eat it. Just like this one. Let me show you right here. I got some birds in my house, so okay, I'm letting them to eat. But if you could see here, this one is not good, but will be used for my fertilizers, for my worms, so my worms will have something to eat. I'll drop it here for now. And look at this one, already been eaten. The birds actually make destruction. They just like keep eating the way that they like it, and then they leave it, so you have to pull it out. And then this one, don't throw it away, use it for worms, for fertilizers, so they can use next time for your home garden, right? So that's all you gotta do. You just pick it up like that. Don't wait for it until it's red. That's okay, you can pick it up like that. And also, you can also collect tomatoes looking this way, almost like kind of start to get into red or yellow kind of color. Also pick it up and leave it here for 3-4 days. Everything here will become red.